Hi friends, I bought myself a dollhouse, so I was going to show it to you. I haven't touched it, I haven't cleaned it, but I am going to create a playlist on my channel for this miniature dollhouse rehab. Always wanted one as a child, never had one. So I thought now was a great time for me to indulge. I just picked it up the other day, soon as I sort of started to get my act together after Hurricane Milton. And so this is it. I'm going to get close up in just a second so you can see what I have to work with. There's actually 2 rooms in here. See how it moves forward like that? I mean, I guess it's one big room, but here's the next one. There's the stairwell. Here's the next upstairs room. We have a little something hanging on the wall there. Don't know if I can zoom in for you or not, but looks like that needs to be cleaned up. This is the other set of stairs for the middle section here. And then this room has a nice little porch on the front you can see. And a nice window. This is the bottom story, the first floor. You can see we have 2 windows and a door. Here is the back of the staircase. And then there's some flooring there, but it's made of paper. So I'll definitely be removing that. One of the panels of the front door is missing. Then we have some more paper flooring in there. There's a bag of furniture here, and we're going to take that into my art studio, and we're going to go ahead and unbox it. I haven't even looked at any of it yet. Alright my friends, we are going to start going through the big bag of furniture that came with the dollhouse. Like I said, I haven't seen any of it, so this is going to be a lot of fun for me. So we've got a bunk bed, and there's some fabric down that would look like perhaps a mattress. And I can tell you already, we will be painting this white. Now this looks like fun. This is a canopy bed. And I absolutely love canopy beds, and I always wanted one as a little girl, and I didn't have one, but I just always loved the look of them. Aren't they cute? And this has a little mattress that comes with it. I mean, a bedspread. I do not see any pillows, but we can always make those. So my friend Carol does she has a stitching channel. Well, she has 2 channels. One is the Wonky Stitchers. No, it's actually her channel is called Hand Stitching with Carol, I do believe. So I might actually get into some of that because we want to make some things for the dollhouse. Now, this looks like a bag full of goodies. Let's have a look. We have a bench, and it kind of looks like a park bench to me, but it might actually end up going with a table. We'll have to find out. Here we have a sink. This is cute, look. So I do believe that this is a vintage set. The dollhouse, I think he said, was 25 years old, so that puts us in the vintage bracket. This was Crisco, but I'll have to create a new label for it, which we know that that's not difficult to do. A little chair, another chair. Here we have, oh, an oven. Look how cute it is. Look, the door opens. There's a little something going on here. It looks like the wood got cracked and they tried to fix it, but I think what we'll do is we'll sand that down. This here too, we'll sand it down and we'll put some wood filler in there, and then we'll paint the whole thing and we'll be good to go. We should be able to find another sticker that looks like an oven, a window oven, and then we can go ahead and put any picture of whatever we want in there. Let's say a pie or whatever. Here we have a bathtub, a clawfoot tub. That's cute, right? It's adorable. It's ceramic, so that's nice. Oh, this is cute. This is a fireplace urn. No, urn? No. What do they call these? Hearth? Yeah. There's a little bit of writing on it, but we would paint this anyway. I'm not going to leave the browns brown. I personally, for my own home even, I prefer white furniture, so we'll probably be doing a lot of that. And here's a nice little bathroom sink, and it too is ceramic, so that's adorable. Here we have a dresser. Let's check our drawers. Our drawers work, and look, there's a tiny baseball bat in one of the drawers. Oh, it's glued in there. That's odd. Let's see. This one's empty. This one has what looks to be maybe books, little mini books. Oh yeah, that's what it is. Ah, look, so cute. So we'll definitely be making some more mini books for our house, but these are great starters. Let's see if there's anything in the top drawer. That one's empty. All right, that's cute. Definitely be painting that up as well. There's a few little tiny items left in the bag. Let's see what we have. All right, we've got, oh cute, look at this little teapot. That's so, whoops, that's so cute. I'm gonna put that inside the tub for now. And then look, we have this little pot. This is adorable. Look, it's so cute. And the top comes off, as you can see. That's super cute. I think this is supposed to be a refrigerator. There's some metal handles. Well, I don't know, is it? Yeah, I think this is a refrigerator and freezer. I think that's what that's supposed to be. That's super cute. We'll have to look up some vintage refrigerator colors and maybe paint that. Either, remember that bluey teal color, or even pink was a good one. Here's our little dining room table, so that's pretty cute. We have another dresser. One of the drawers came out, so let's pop that back in. But let's check the other drawers. So cute. I love it. Adorable. Oh, what is this? This is like, maybe it sits at the foot of a bed and then you would put maybe your quilt inside. Is that what that is, you guys? A little treasure chest, they would call that? No, that's not what they called it. But remember, those were really popular. Anyway, I can't think of the name, but check this out. Okay, this is a pie, but this is a soda cap. Isn't that funny and clever? I like that. That's super cute. So here we've got a smaller dresser. Oh, and there should be a tiny, tiny drawer, but it's missing on this side, which that's okay. And then there was probably a lamp that went here. We'll have to see. Oh no, I found what goes in there. I'll show you in just a second. But let's check our drawers. We had a real surprise in the other dresser. I'll show you what goes on top. This right here. Isn't it cute? So the nails are coming out. Hopefully they're supposed to be like that. But I think this goes right here. It sure does. Isn't that cute? Here are some of the other tiny things that were in the bag. There's a guy here and he's wearing a tie. That's funny. And then here's a woman. Oh, she's missing a shoe. So we'll have to fix that up. Oh, here's a kid. His head just fell off. Whoops. Oh, let me see if I can get that head back on. Might have to buy a new kid. But anyway, here's a kid. And here's a girl. Oh, it's so funny. All right, we have a tiny telephone, which is funny to me. And then we've got our little muffin tin here. A little, maybe, I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. And then another one of these red pots, which I love. So cute. Here is our next bag. This I know is the chimney because he told me the chimney was in one of the bags. So we'll just glue that back on at some point in time. So here's a bunch of little stuff. I'm not sure where this drawer came from. Looks like there's a couple like this. Well, maybe this is just a little platter. We'll put that over here. This, oh, is a book. Oh, no, it's not. Look at that. It's like a little sewing kit. That's adorable. I'll go ahead and cover that and reinforce it, but that's pretty stinking cute. Look at that. It's got little tiny bundles of embroidery thread. So cute. And we have a chart here with some chalk. It's kind of falling apart. I might reinforce it or may not keep it. We'll see. We'll have to see. Some of this we'll just have to, you know, decide later on. Okay, I found the little drawer that goes in the top of this dresser here. So we're going to go ahead and pop that back in. Perfect. That's awesome. So let's see. I'm not sure what this goes to, so I'm going to set it aside. This is like, oh, a toilet paper holder probably. That's pretty cute. Some more old books. Not sure what this goes to, so we're going to put this over here with our missing parts. And then we've got some just sort of off, sort of cheesy little items here, and probably I'll donate a lot of these. Oh, hold on, this goes to the fireplace, look. Oh, that's what this is. So there's a broom for the fireplace, and there is like the poker. We don't have many fireplaces in Florida because it's hot down here, but we did live in a house once when I was a kid and we had a fireplace. Here's a little scoopy thing to clean out the ashes. Oops. All right, let's see what else. I'll just put these over here. So yeah, like I said, just some sort of oddball items that I probably won't use too much. I'll keep the good stuff and donate the stuff I don't want. Not sure what this is. Oh, hold on. Let me put these over here. Looks like we have a jug and then 2 plates. And then this, does this go in here? Why would it? No, I don't think so. But anyway, I feel like this could be a set. Another piece of wood, not sure. We definitely like the tin for the muffins. We're definitely keeping that. The rolling pin we can definitely keep. We'll end up painting it. All right, we are getting into our last bag of goodies here, my friends. Oh, we have a beautiful green velvet chair. I do love that. It feels great. Hopefully you can see it. We have another one. Beautiful. A little chair. It's cute. A little rug. Oh, that's adorable. Look, it's a little crocheted rug. I love that. That's so cute. A coffee table for the living room. Very nice. This is the fireplace. Love it. I could probably print out a fire and pop it in there. Or if we wanted to go modern, I could print out like a picture with like candles inside of a fireplace. Oh, look at this roll top desk. Let's see if it even opens. It looks like it wants to, but I'm afraid to force it. But you can see that it probably could move. Then we've got a little drawer, and there's some papers inside. How cute is that? Oh, here's our front door. Fabulous. So we've got, let's see what we have. We have, I wonder what this goes to. Oh, this is definitely has a hinge on it. So this is a door to something. And then we also have, I think this would be the front door because there's hinges on it. So I probably have to get Carl to help me put this back together. And I wonder if I can replace the plastic that's in here. I don't know, that could be hard to do, but it's something I'll think about. Maybe I can turn it into a stained glass window since it's kind of marred and messed up. But that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed seeing my dollhouse and all my pieces, and this will be a fun project that I'll just do here and there and decorate the dollhouse. So thanks for watching. See you soon.